replacement chains. I want to make sure that everyone out there understands that Bute discs can fit on Kelly diamond harrows, Humdingers, Brookfields, Growmores, Phillips machines. Now, if your Kelly chain, original chain, has worn out or is simply not cutting, or you want a better cut, Bute discs fit directly onto their bearing assemblies. Nothing changes. The folding doesn't change, the tensioning doesn't change. It's simply you're fitting the Bute discs onto your Kelly chain. Now that is your choice. Your choice, because you want the best tillage tool running on your machine on your land. So give me a call, or my local distributors. We can give you a quote over the phone. We can send you the chains, and within about half a day you can take that old Kelly chain off and put the new Bute disc chains on, and you'll see instant result straight away in your field performance. And that's where it comes down to. Discs working in the field will give you a better cut. You get longer wear out of the Bute discs. So get onto it.